Alright, you know how fast the AI world moves. What worked yesterday might not work today. So, I'm back with a brand new guide to unlocking everything, and this time, we're doing something huge. But today is special. To thank you for all the incredible support on the channel, we're doing our biggest giveaway ever. We're giving away one Google Pro account and one Google Ultra account. Just so you know, the Ultra account is insane. It comes with a massive 12,500 credits and lets you generate unlimited VEO 3 fast videos without ever touching your credit balance. So, how do you win? It's simple. You have to watch the entire video. At a completely random point during this tutorial, I will announce the easy steps you need to follow to enter. If you skip ahead, you will miss it. Let's get started. Alright, first, we'll start on the computer screen. Here, you simply need to search for Google Student 1-year offer. You need to type this and search for it. The first link that appears, which says Free Pro 1 year, is the one you need to go to. This is their website. You need to simply click on the Get Offer button. When you click it, a page like this will appear. You need to click on Verify Eligibility. Once you do that, a form like this will load where you need to add all your details. Now, this list shows all the countries where the student offer is available. You need to make sure that you have a VPN activated and connected to any country on this list. A paid VPN works better. My recommended VPN is NordVPN, and I've placed a link with a discount in the description below. For now, I will select India. Here, you need to select any school. One thing to keep in mind is that the school name should not have a city or any other location name after it. As you can see, I have selected this school. Now, I will add my name and other details. Let's add the date of birth for this student. For the email, you can use any of your Gmail IDs. There are no issues with that. Once you have done this, you simply need to go to a new tab and open Google Gemini. Once you have Google Gemini open, the next step, this is an updated code. You'll know I provided a code in the last video, but this is an updated version. You simply need to copy it, click on Canvas, and paste the code you copied right here. After pasting the code, press Enter. A new format for the card will appear, because, as you know, the old card format is being rejected. This is a new format I've created. As you can see, the entire form is here. In this one, you simply only need to upload the student's picture. The previous version had many more fields. Now, what do we need to do here? Simply click Choose File and upload any student picture. There, the picture has been updated. Next, we need to add the student's name, the same one we added in the form. Similarly, we need to add the date of birth, just as we did in the form. After that, for the last 4 digits of the student ID, you need to change them. You can randomly put anything. Similarly, for the phone number, you can randomly change the last 4 digits to anything you want. No issue. And you need to keep the address the same. So, as you can see, our card is ready. One thing I forgot is to add the school name. So I will simply return to the form, copy the school name, and after copying, I will go back to Gemini and paste this name in the university name field. Now, as you can see below, our card is ready. I will simply download it. You should allow it so that if it needs to download twice, it can. After allowing it, I will simply return here to the form page. I will click on Verify Student Status. Now, it will take a little time here, and a new window will appear. Sometimes, instead of this window, another window appears that says Sign in to your school. You simply need to cross that tab out and come back to this tab. Here, you will simply upload the card you just created. When the card is uploaded, you need to submit it. When you submit it, this timer will start in front of you. You have to wait a little bit. It won't take much time. In front of you right now, I'll show you. In just a few seconds, it will be approved. And there you go. It's now approved. Next, you need to click on Get Google AI Pro. When you do, this page will appear again. Click on Get Student Offer. As you know, we have seen this in previous videos, so you simply need to add any of your cards here. As you know, I explained the card situation in the last video. If you need to find out, you can use any card, but I get a lot of comments asking which card should be used. It should be a Visa or a MasterCard, or any card that has international payments enabled. You simply need to add that card. That's it. We will subscribe to this. My card is now added. I've subscribed. And there you see, our subscription is successful. Now you can repeat this same process. I won't go into further detail, you should know. I'll go to Gemini and check to show you whether we've received the Pro access or not. And look, the colorful circle has appeared, and PRO is also written next to the icon. This means our account has been upgraded to Pro. We've received the student offer for 12 months. I'll also open Flow to show you that the 1,000 credits have arrived or not. After this, I'll tell you the details of our giveaway, just after a little while. So here I'll also open my Gmail to show you. And here, my Flow is signing in with my email. So look here, our monthly limit of 1,000 credits has arrived. Okay, so now I'll go back to Gmail. In Gmail, you can see I've also received the emails. I'll check and show you. It says, "Welcome, you now have the Google AI Pro plan." And here it has told me everything we get in this offer. Okay, so now there are some other things I want to tell you about the new updates in Flow and Google VEO 3. A lot of people were asking in the comments, and in general, many people had the issue that they couldn't create portrait videos in it. Look here, another option has been enabled, which is Ingredients to Video. This option was not present before. Now look here, there are two options, Portrait and Landscape. Here is Google's Fast, Google VEO 3 Fast. I will quickly generate a prompt to show you, so you know that it is indeed creating portrait videos. Here, I have added my prompt. So the prompt has been added, and the video has started generating. All right, now I'll tell you what the criteria for our giveaway will be. We are giving away one Ultra account and one Pro account. For this, you simply have to do the following. Like this video, follow us on Instagram. The link is provided below. And after following us on Instagram, you need to comment "Done" below. We will randomly. As soon as this video gets 1,500 likes, we will announce both winners. One person to whom we will give a Google Pro account, and one to whom we will give a Google Ultra account. As you know, the Ultra account has many benefits, in which you will get 12,500 credits, and you can generate unlimited videos with Google VEO 3 Fast. So for the giveaway, you simply need to like the video, follow us on Instagram, and comment "Done" below. If you want to add more comments, you can do that too. So let's move on with the video. Our result is in front of you. You've already seen it. Now, in this account, Whisk is also available. Here you can see its aspect ratio, and here I have also generated an image with it. So, you see, it has also generated the images, and you can animate them in Whisk as well. And that is the complete updated process. I hope you were paying attention and caught the giveaway rules. Good luck to everyone who enters, but we are not stopping here. In my next video, I am going to show you something incredible.